In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Finviz data. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull a clean CSV file of your screened stocks straight from Finviz Elite so you can analyze the results in your favorite spreadsheet or workflow. First, make sure you're logged into your Finviz Elite account. Exporting is an Elite feature, so you won't see the download option unless you're signed in. Once you're in, head to the Screener tab. This is the heart of the process, because the export will reflect whatever you set up here. Start by applying your filters. Across the top of the screener, you'll see three key tabs: Descriptive, Fundamental, and Technical. Use these together to narrow your list to exactly what you want. In the Descriptive tab, you can define broad characteristics such as exchange, sector, market capitalization, price range, average volume, and country. Think of this as shaping the overall universe you're willing to consider. Next, move into the Fundamental tab to focus on company quality and valuation. This is where you can filter by metrics like PE ratio, EPS growth, return on equity, profit margins, dividend yield, and other financial indicators. These filters help you zero in on businesses that match your investment criteria or backtest rules. Then, visit the Technical tab to apply signals based on price action and trends. Here you can filter by relative strength, moving average relationships, performance over various time frames, and popular chart patterns or signals. If your strategy leans on momentum, trend following, or mean reversion, this tab is especially valuable. As you fine-tune your filters, the results table below updates instantly. Take a moment to confirm that the list of tickers and the columns you see on the screen represent what you want to export. The CSV file will mirror the results table, including the columns currently displayed by the screener. If you're casting a wide net, consider tightening your filters to keep your export manageable. When your list looks right, scroll to the bottom right area of the results table and locate the Export button. It can sit just below or beside the table depending on your screen size, so a quick scroll helps if you don't see it right away. Click Export, and Finviz will immediately download a CSV file containing all the rows and columns visible in your results. Your browser will save it to your default downloads location. That's it. Your screened data is now ready for further analysis, backtesting, or reporting in the tools you prefer.